Speak 5 AI tools that pay you every single month, and I've been tracking their commissions for weeks. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash which one pays the most? Stick around. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash real programs, real rates, 5 tools, actual numbers I pulled myself. ElevenLabs, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash 20% recurring. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash refer the $99 Pro plan and you're looking at $240 a year per customer. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash voice cloning, 32 languages, and I've run it against 6 other voice tools, it wins on naturalness every time. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash drop a comment if you're already using it. HeyGen, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash 20% recurring on the $89 plan. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash I spent 3 hours testing this, you shoot a quick selfie video and 60 minutes later you've got a polished AI avatar video ready to publish. Tool 3 will actually shock you. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash Jasper. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash 30% recurring, forever. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash the $69 plan pays you $20.70 every single month, for life. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash I've tried 12 affiliate programs in this space and nothing comes close to Jasper for long-term passive income. Tool 4, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash Pictory. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash 50% on the first sale, 20% recurring after that. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash $19 a month. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash I took a blog post I wrote last year and it turned into a YouTube video in 8 minutes flat. Tool 5, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash Copy.ai. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash 45% for 12 months. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash refer one advanced user at $249 and you're collecting $112 every month for a full year. Honest math, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash $500 a day needs around 200k subscribers. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash but $500 a month? Honestly, what surprised me the most was how few referrals that actually takes 10 to 30. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash that's it. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash drop your subscriber count in the comments. Best long-term pick, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Jasper at 30% forever. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash best short-term, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Copy.ai at 45. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash best for video creators, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash ElevenLabs. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash stack all 3 and you've got a real income stream. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash which one would you start with? Comment below. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash all 5 affiliate links are in the description. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews / speak.